Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about chapter 5 vectors. The subtopic is 5.3 vector product. The third outcome, find the area of parallelogram and a triangle. Look at the first example. We are going to find area of parallelogram constructed from the vectors u and w. Okay, here we have two vectors. So here vector u, another one we have vector w. So the parallelogram we are going to get is the parallel with u and then parallel with w. So this is our parallelogram. Okay, two lines are parallel. Okay, now we are going to find u cross w first. U cross w equals to the first row I, j, k. Second row 3, 1, 2, 1, negative 2, negative 2. I minus j plus k. So delete row 1, column 1. Get 1, 2, negative 2, negative 2. Delete row 1, column 2. 3, 2, 1, negative 2. Then delete row 1, column 3. 3, 1, 1, negative 2. Okay, and then we calculate AD minus BC. Negative 2 plus 4, we get 2I minus negative 6 minus 2. So negative 8 will be positive 8j. And then the last one, negative 6 minus 1, we get negative 7k. So area of parallelogram is equals to magnitude of u cross w. So we have square root 2 square plus 8 square plus negative 7 square. Then our answer is 117, which is equals to 313. Okay, second question, we are going to find area of triangle. So area of parallelogram is magnitude of u cross w. So area of triangle will be half of the area parallelogram. Next question. Okay, we have 3 points A, B, and C forms a triangle. Find vectors A, B, vector AC. Okay, area of triangle is equivalent to 1 over 2 magnitude of AB cross AC. So make sure kalau kita nak cari area triangle, area parallelogram, your cross product, make sure the starting point will be the same. Kalau you ada AB, mesti cross dengan AC. Kalau you ada BC, you mesti cross dengan BA. Starting point mesti sama. Kalau you mula dengan C, CA, cross with CB. Ini syarat untuk buat cross product. Okay, now we are going to calculate for AB first. So vector AB is equals to OB minus OA. B tolak A. So we have negative 120 minus 203. We get negative 3 to negative 3. And then we find AC is C 2, 1, negative 3 minus A. A is 2, 0, 3, which is equals to 0, 1, negative 6. Okay, so we get answers for question A. For question B, we are going to find A cross B first. AB cross AC equals to I, J, K. AB first. AB come first, so the second row will be vector AB. Negative 3, 2, negative 3. AC, 0, 1, negative 6. So we have I minus J plus K. Delete row 1, column 1. 2, negative 3, 1, negative 6. Column 2. So negative 3, negative 3, 0, negative 6. And then delete column 3, row 1, we get negative 3, 2, 0, 1. Okay, apply AD minus BC. Negative 12 plus 3. So we get 9. Negative 9I. Positive 18 minus 0. So minus 18J. Negative 3 minus 0 minus 3K. So last but not least, we are going to find area of triangle. Area of triangle is 1 over 2 magnitude AB cross AC. 1 over 2 square root negative 9 square plus negative 18 square plus negative 3 square. And then we get 1 over 2, 3 third 46. Or we can write down as 3 over 2 third 46. This is equivalent to 10.173 unit square. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.